Hello and welcome back, my friends. Today we're going to be discussing some of the major points, the keys that you should be holding to grow yourself an amazingly abundant garden to feed yourself, your family, for your well-being. It's very possible and can be done quicker than you think. In just a short amount of time with a little bit of effort, you can take your barren landscape and turn it into one that's producing fruit, vegetables, herbs, flowers, and have it become the sanctuary, the place where you can go to relax, hang out, escape from the grind. And I'm here to tell you that the time to get moving on it is now. Now, the first year that I was getting going on my food forest design was just an amazing year altogether. The transformation that was occurring out in the yard was amazing. It was going from grass, weeds, and urban debris to something so much more comfortable to be around. And wildlife started coming into the area, and the food crops were coming into play, and we were harvesting from our garden. It was such a great feeling and gave us that boost of motivation to just keep going. And I just wanted to share this with you as we're only 2 weeks into the brand new year. 2020 is here. Make it a great year. Get out into your garden as much as you can. If you're listening to this and you have ambitions to start a garden or to grow a garden even larger than what you're doing now, or perhaps even build a food forest in your yard, make this your year. Get out into the yard as much as you can. In your free time, spend it out in nature, planting plants and connecting with the wildlife and the sounds and the breeze, and just try to disconnect from the technology, the noise, the cell phones, and all of that just for a little bit. And just watch what happens in your life. I'm speaking from experience when I tell you that this particular hobby of gardening is the best thing that I've ever done for myself. And the rewards that the planet has for you, just sitting there and waiting, all you have to do is participate. It's an amazing thing. And it relates to all other areas of life. You can translate and correlate the experiences that you're having in the garden to real life situations. It just starts to open up a whole different way of thinking and being. If you've been following along on the channel for a while, then you know that I'm big into attracting abundance into your life and believing that you can do great things and moving yourself towards that trajectory where you want to see yourself in this life. It always is going to begin with a thought. So envision what it is that you want to accomplish and go make it happen. Work hard towards your goal and be open to receive the blessings that come back to you. So that is the message for this video. Grow yourself the most amazing garden you've ever had this year. If you agree with this message today, I sure would appreciate if you give the video a rating. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel. New videos coming out every week, sometimes every day. We're on a roll right now. And so with that, I hope this video finds you and finds you well, out in the world and out in your garden, planting more abundance in your life. Take care, everyone. I'll be talking to you again soon.